Finding the courage to change. How are you? I'm fine. That's the standard polite answer. Most people don't want to know the honest answer, and I have days where I try to fake it till I make it. I want to be fine. Maybe if I say that I'm fine, or okay, or hanging in there, my day will start to go better. The question, how are you, gives me the opportunity to learn how to be authentic and practice having a positive focus. I want to be authentic. I'm tired of hiding who I really am behind a polite facade. I want to be in touch with how I'm really feeling right now. I want to balance authenticity with a sharp attention to maintaining my focus on positivity. It does me no good to wallow in negative emotions. When I'm having a bad day, I'm most likely to be feeling frustrated, confused, or stressed. I'm usually falling into my old habit of perfectionism. On those off days, I draw a clear mental line between how I am feeling and how I am. How I'm feeling can change minute by minute. That's how feelings are. They come and they go. My feelings provide guidance to how well I'm connecting to Source. They are merely a guidance system. They do not define me. They do not define who I am or how I am. Even on a bad day, I'm connected to something greater than myself. I am an extension of Source energy. I am part of an unlimited being. I use the question, how are you, as an opportunity to tune in, tap in, and turn on my connection to Source. How am I? I'm awesome.